In today's video, I'll show you how to add the product to a category in WooCommerce. As you can see in this example, the coffee table product on my site is currently assigned to an uncategorized category. Let's go ahead and reassign it to a different category. To make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Then on the left side of the screen, hover on products, then select all products. Now look for the product in question. In my case is this one, coffee table, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on screen options, and then set the checkmark under product categories. Now scroll a bit down on the right side of the screen, look for the product categories section. Let's expand it. From here, you can either select the existing category or add a new one. As in my case, I'm going to uncheck the uncategorized category and then select tables. Now let's scroll all the way to the top, then click on update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can notice, this specific product is now assigned to the tables category. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.